Hey, how's it going, guys? Today's episode, I'm going to show you how I modified this G2 hand net and make it into a nice landing net for your kayak. Stay tuned. Extending the handle on this G2 net right here. This net it's a bad net, guys. Look how big it is, how wide. You know, you get a decent amount, you get a big old bass in here. Big old bass, dude. Anyway, so this is about 40 bucks. You know, I'll share the link down below if you guys want to purchase this same net. They come in two colors, green, lime green, and orange. We'll be using this 1-inch diameter PVC pipe right here. We got this great stuff, expanding foam. This will be going into the PVC pipe. In an event that I drop the net in the water, you know, water can get in there, fill in the pipe will get heavy and the pipe will sink. So this stuff right here will expand inside the pipe, not giving any room for water to come into. Two is foam floats. That's in JB Weld right here. This could be used to adhere the handle extension to the stock handle. You need the blade. You will need to trim a few sections of this foam right here to fit the arm extension or the handle extension, and your drill bits and your drill to drill a few 2 to 3 holes in this pipe to apply the great stuff expanding foam. All right, let's get started. Okay, right there. Just gonna cut all around this handle right here. Cutting this foamy stuff. So we cut around that. Next, we're gonna cut down. Cut a slit all the way down here, and we'll peel the foam off. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, so let's grab that PVC pipe. All right, go see here, it fits. All right. Ooh, see, you can squeeze it in there. Keep squeezing in. So, this is how long it would look, huh? So next thing to do is get the JB Weld, and we're gonna JB Weld this puppy right here, secure it. So you do that for a half. There you go. Apply. Let go. Let's go. So looking at the two A and B, red and black solution right here, they are even in size. They're both 1 ounce. So I'm gonna say it's probably safe to say that this is 50-50. I read the instructions, it is 50-50. Let's go. Let's do 50-50. 50-50. That's about right. All right, so let's mix them up like Picasso. Mix. I don't even know if it's enough. I think it's enough. Or side by side comparison. No, that side is still fatter. There you go. It should be 50-50. Feels like being hard quick already. All right, let's go. Okay. Okay. Just spread them on this handle. Alright, and it will be good. Apply. Nice and even as much as possible. Alright, guys. This has been coated equally. Let's push that. Let's go. Get none. I will get some JB Weld on the foam, but that's fine. I plan to wrap the whole handle anyways. Let's go. Oh, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna spin and push this in. Here we go. Let me push it down right quick. Holding that, push, give some pressure a little bit, and that should be good. Next, we're gonna wipe all these extra. I just wanted rubbing on myself or the kayak or my kayak stand. All right, so we got the hardest part out the way. Let's look for drill bits that size, homie. I think this will work. This will work. Let's go. Yep, there you go. Good stuff. Next, firmly screw onto valve stem. This piece right here. Sure, straw is fully seated on the valve. And then pull open the yellow strip. Okay, that's open. Okay. Good fit, man. It fits. Good fit. Keeping it red. Firmly. Alright, I don't want to spill anything. Let's grab some newspaper. Aging journal. Aging journal, baby. Let's go. No, wipe that up. Wipe it up. No, wipe it now before I forget, because that turns to foam. Okay, let's try that again. Green, and we go. Oh, hey. Whoa, expanding. Okay, let's spray from here then. Yeah, this thing is just oozing right out. So I guess this will be doing this, the natural thing, the foam will keep expanding. Then once they stop expanding, then we'll just wipe off all the extra. Alright, so once again we have everything. We got scissors, we got the X tube, we got the blower dryer. My heat gun pooped on me a few months back. That's fun. So let's see how this fits. So the diameter of the PVC pipe is just 1 inch, and the diameter of the X tube is 1.5. So make sure it's oversized so it could fit also the cap. And I should have more than enough. PVC pipe is 2 feet long, 24 inches. The X strap is 36 inches, which is 3 feet. So we have more than enough. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it like that, like this. Okay, and then put this on here. Okay, we'll cut from there then. Okay, it will cut this much. Okay, now we take out this butt end, slip this PVC pipe, this tube. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna put this cap back on here so I know exactly where to stop. All right, let's go. It's gonna take a while since this is a blower dryer, not a heat gun. Let's see. Taking forever because it's not a heat gun. Not bad. Not bad whatsoever. You want that right there. I'm gonna cut like this. Okay. Let's put this on the cab part. Not sure how this is gonna work out, but let's see. Ooh, it's a really tight fit, but slide through, slide through, slide through, baby. Come on. Okay, let's blow dry this thing. Man. Alright, so the rest wrapped up except this little corner right here. If only I have a decent heater gun or heat gun, this would shrink all the way like the rest right here, but it's not too bad. Alright guys, so for the most part, I am very satisfied with the outcome of the net. I'm hoping this video has helped you out if you are in the market and you're looking for a new net for your kayak. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button, poke that like button, and if you like, share the video, and I'll catch you guys during the next episode. Alright, until next time, get out there, get your lines wet, and most definitely guys, keep it positive.